Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making apple fritterings. These fritters, guys, are fried to golden crisp and toasted in cinnamon sugar. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by combining the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I'm gonna add all-purpose flour along with sugar and salt. Mix well to combine, then set aside. Now let's move on to work on wet ingredients. In a measuring cup, combine milk, oil, and 1 egg. Mix until well combined. Then we are going to stir in wet ingredients to dry ingredients and mix well until well combined. There isn't anything fancy about this apple fritters rings or how you make them, guys. If you don't want to use the spatula to mix, you are more than welcome to use a whisk. But I love to use the spatula because I don't want the batter to be too smooth. Mix well until well combined, then just set it aside while we core and slice the apples. Use an apple corer to remove the core and the seeds. Use the madeleine to slice the apples. Add apple slices to the batter as you slice them. Next, we're gonna make cinnamon sugar. In my bowl, I have 1/4 cup sugar. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Mix well, then set aside. In a medium skillet, heat oil on a medium-low heat. Add fritters and deep fry them for about 1.5 minutes on each side until crisp and golden. These fritters are perfect sweet treat to end a meal or breakfast for kids who love donuts. Every time I make these apple fritters rings, they have a reputation of disappearing off the plate as it's made. Yes, I never have leftovers, guys. Remove the fritters from the oil and place on a cooling rack to drain excess oil, or you can drain on paper towels. It's up to your preference, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and to smash that notification bell so we stay connected. Next, we're gonna roll the fritters in cinnamon sugar while warm, and they are ready to be served. There you have it, guys. Delicious apple fritterings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.